In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add product types and attributes in Ecwid efficiently and effectively. Whether you're setting up your store for the first time or just looking to optimize your product listings, these simple steps will help you enhance your catalog management, making it easier for customers to navigate your offerings and for you to manage your products. To get started, you'll need to log into your Ecwid dashboard. Begin by visiting the Ecwid website at www.ecwid.com and log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, a central hub for managing all aspects of your online store. From here, navigate to the catalog section and select product. This will display a list of all the products currently available in your store. To add a new product type, first select a product and click on Edit Product. This action will take you to a new page where you can modify existing details or add new elements to your product listing. Focus on the Attributes tab next. This section is key to defining the characteristics that make each product unique. Click on the Manage Attributes link. This is where you can add a new product type. If it's not already on the list, you'll see an option to add new product type. Clicking this button will enable you to create and define new categories, such as apparel and accessories, depending on what best suits your offerings. After creating a new product type, it's time to assign it to a product. Head over to the Attributes section again. Look for the option marked Change Type Option. Click on it and you'll be able to select the newly added product type for your selected product. This step is crucial as it links the product to the specific type, helping in future filtering and searches. Next, move on to adding values for attributes. Within the attribute field, set the desired specifications such as size and color. For example, you could set the size attribute to medium and the color attribute to black. These details will offer customers a clearer picture of what the product entails and help them make informed purchasing decisions. Finally, don't forget to save the product. It's a simple click but a necessary one to ensure all the changes are properly applied and stored in your catalog. Once saved, your products are now categorized with their specific types and attributes. This setup not only enhances your own management efficiency, but also improves the customer's shopping experience by simplifying product searches and comparisons. By following these steps, you've effectively organized your Ecwid product catalog, making it a more powerful tool for sales and customer satisfaction. Keep utilizing these features to refine and expand your store's offerings. Thanks for watching and happy selling.